Hi, welcome to Sachin Study Tech. Today topic is optimal binary search tree. To construct the optimal binary search tree here by using the dynamic programming approach. Why you are using dynamic programming approach? Because it is a optimization problem. You have to find out the optimal binary search tree. So here it can take that sequence of decisions so that you can use the dynamic programming approach. In previous video we have discussed about only it can given the keys and frequencies, that is the successful probability, but here it can give the successful probability, so P14 that is 3311, here unsuccessful probability that is 23111. so unsuccessful frequencies are unsuccessful probability, here also successful probability or successful frequencies, so both are given. So these are the keys, 4 keys is there: do, if, int, while. Now you can start the process. So how can calculate it? Here you can see here it is 0 to 4 you can write because the 4 keys is there, so 0 to 4 you can write. These are the columns, indicates the j, here the row indicates I, here 0 to 4. So j minus I equal to 0, j minus I equal to 0, here you can see 0 0 is 0, here j minus 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, here also 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0. So that's we can write here w of 0 0, c of 0 0, r of 0 0, like that. Here also you can see, for example, here j value is 1, 1 minus 0 that is 1, so like that. Here 2 minus 0 that is 2, 3 minus 0 that is 3, 4 minus 0 that is 4. So j minus I equal to, here the j minus I equal to 4, like that you can write. Now very simple, here it is w of 0 1 is 1, 1 minus 0 that is, so we can increment by 1, that is 0 plus 1 1, here 1 plus 1 that is 2, so 1 2, 2 minus 1 that is 1, 3 minus 2 that is also 1, like that you can prepare this table. Now you can find out the values. Initially here if j minus I equal to 0, j minus I equal to 0, then w of I comma j that is equal to q of j, that is equal to q of j. So what is the q of j? Here it is w of ij that is 0 0, so q of j that is q of 0, q of 0 is that is 2, so you can write here. Okay, initially c of 0 0, r of 0 0 value is 0, here also 0, 1 1 is 0, r 1 1 is 0, c of 2 2 is 0, here also 0. You can take it directly without calculating, here it is. So then here w of 1 1, w of 1 1 equal to, that is also 1 minus 1 that is 0, so w of 1 1 is equal to q of j, that is q of j is 1, so that's why here you can take the 3, here you can take the 1, here it is 1, here it is 1. Now how to calculate? Here it is j minus I equal to 1. Now we have to calculate this step, j minus I equal to 1. So w of 0 1, now we can calculate it, w of 0 1, w of 0 1 that is w of 0 1. So this is the formula, that is equal to w of I value is 0 0 comma j minus 1 that is 1 minus 1 that is 0 plus p of j, j value is 1 that is p of j, p of 1 plus q of 1. So what is the w of 0 0? W of 0 0 value is 2, you know already. Then p of 1, p of 1 value is, here it is p 1 2 3 and 4, here it is 0 1 2 3 and 4. Now we can see p of 1 value is 3, so that is 3 plus q of 1 value is 3, you can see here q of 1 value is 3, so that is equal to 8. So w of 0 1 value is 8 now. So I have to calculate C of 0 1 like that. Here it is a C of 0 1 that is equal to minimum of here the k value is I less than k less than or equal to j. So the j value here it is 1. So that's why the k value is 1. You can take only 1. That's why here it is C of I value is 0. I am consider the k value is 1. So 1 minus 1 that is 0 plus C of 1 comma j value is 1 kj plus w of 0 1 w of 0 1. So you know already w of 0 1 that value is 8. So here it is only k value is 1 because here it is I value is 0 less than k less than or equal to j. So that's why here it is k value is 1. So now C of 0 0 value is 0, you know C of 1 1 value is 0 plus w of 0 1 value is 8. So 8. C of 0 1 value is 8. Like here it is w of 1 2. So R0 1 it is. Here you can consider only one key. R of 0 comma 1 that is equal to k value. What is the k value here? K value is 1. So that is R01 is 1. So that's why it is 1. Like that here you can calculate here the w of 1 comma 2. So that is equal to w of I value is 1, that is j minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is also 1, plus p of j, that is p of 2 plus q of 2. So w of 1 1 value is 3 plus p of 2 value is 3 plus q of 2 value is 1. So that is equal to 7. So can note down here it is 7. Like that here also C of 1 2 you can calculate it. C of 1 2 that value also 7 you can calculate it. Next w of 2 3, here the k value is for example C of 1 2 the k value is 2. W of 2 3 that is equal to w of I comma that is 2 j minus 1 that is w of 2 2 plus p of j that is p of 3 plus q of 3. So w of 2 2 value is 1. You can see in the table it is 1. So 1 plus p of 3. So p of 3 value is 1 plus q of 3 value is 1. So that is equal to w of 2 3 that is 3. W of 2 3 that value is 3. So here also you can calculate it. C of 2 3. So that value is also a 3 in this step. Okay. So the k value is 3. You can calculate by using this formula. And also w of 3 4 that is equal to w of I comma j minus 1 that is 3, j minus 1 that is also 3, w of 3 3 plus p of j that is p of 4 plus q of 4 that is equal to w of 3 3 value is 1 plus p of 4 value is 1 and q of 4 value is 1. So here it is 1 plus 1, here it is also 3. W of 3 4 is also 3. So we can calculate C of 3 4. So the k value is 4. Here it is R of 3 comma 4 that value is also k, that k is 4. So here it is 4, here it is 3. Like that we have to calculate you can see here it is. Erase this. Now it is already are calculated, that value is now you can see that is 2, here it is 2 and 3 1 1 1, these values are 0, here it is 0, here it is 0, here w of 0 1 that is 8, here it is, here also 8, here also w of 1 2 that is 7, here also already calculated 7, it is the value is that is 2, here the key value is 1, here it is w of 3, so value is 3, here it is 3, so here it is also k value is also 3, here it is 3, so here it is c value c34 is 3, c34 is 4, that is k value is 4. Now we can consider here it is j minus I equal to 2, j minus I equal to 2, that is w of 0 2. So we have to calculate it w of 0 comma 2, w of 0 comma 2 that is equal to, here it is w of 0 comma that is j minus 1, that is w of 1 plus p of 2 plus q of 2, q of 2. So that is w of 0 1 that is 8 plus p of 2, p of 2 value is, here it is 1 2 3 and 4, here 0 1 2 3 4. So p of 2 value is 3, 3 plus q of 2 value is that is 1, so here it is 12, w of 0 2 value is 12, you can note down here it is 12. Like you have to calculate it c of 0 2, c of 0 2 equal to, here it is the k value is 1 and 2, because here it is 0 less than k less than or equal to j, that j value is 2, so that's why k value is 1 comma 2. So first I am consider, here it is minimum of I am consider the k value is now 1, so that is equal to c of I, that is 0 comma k minus 1, k value is 1, 1 minus 1 that is 0, plus c of 1 comma kj, that is c of 1 2, c of 1 2 plus w of ij, that is w of 0 2. You know already w of 0 2 value is 12, it is 12. Now you can see here the k value is, k value I am considered 2, now here it is I value is 0, k minus 1 that is 1 plus c of, so kj that is 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2. So you can see 0 of 0, c00 value is 0, c of 1 2 value, c of 1 2 value is 7, so 0 plus 7 it is a 7. So minimum of, here it is 7, here you can see c of 0 1, c of 0 1 value is 8, c of 2 2 value is 0, so here it is 8. So which is minimum? 7 is the minimum, you can add it, here it is plus here it is 12, so 7 is the minimum, that value is c of 2 0 2 value is 19. So which value k value is considered to get the minimum value? Here it is k value is 1. So that's why r of 0 to value is k, that is k is 1. Like that we have to calculate it. Here it is w of now w of, here also erase this, now we can calculate it w of 13. So you know the formula, so here it is w of 1 comma 3. So that is equal to w of I, that is 1, j minus 1, that is w of 2 plus p of j, that is p of 3. So we can write directly p of 3 value is 1 plus q of 3. Q of 3 value is also 1. So w of 1 2, w of 1 2 value is 7. 7 plus here it is 2, that is 9. W of 1 3 value is 9. So we have to calculate it. Here it is c of 1 comma 3. So that is k values are 2 comma 3. You know how we can take, because here 1 less than k less than or equal to 3. So the k value is 2 and 3. So that is the minimum of first I am consider k value is 2. So that is equal to minimum of c of I comma k minus 1. C of I value is 1 and k value is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Here it is 1 plus c of kj, that is 2 comma 3. Here 2 comma 3 plus w of ij, that is 1 3. You know already w of 1 3 value is 9, already calculated. Now here the k value is now 3. So I am considering here it is 1 comma 2 plus here it is k comma j, that is c33. So you know already c11 value is 0 plus c23. So c23 value is 3. So c of 1 2 value is 7 plus c of 3 value is 0. So here it is 3, here it is 7. Which is the minimum? 3 is the minimum. So you can add it 3 plus 9, that is 12. So you can note down c of 1 3 value is 12. So what is the k value? Which value here consider k? So the k value is 2. Then you can get the 3. Here it is minimum. So the k value is r of 1 3 equal to k, that is 2. So 9 12 2. Now likewise here you can find out w of 2 4. So w of 2 comma 4, that is equal to w of 2 j minus 1, that is 3 plus p of 4. What is the p of 4 value? Here it is 1. Q of 4 value is also 1. So 1 plus 1. What is the w of 2 3 value? W of 2 3 value is 3. You can see the table. So this value is 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 5 here. W of 2 4 value is 5. And you can calculate the c of 2 4. So either k value is 3, k value is 4. Now I am consider that is equal to minimum of c of I comma, that is 2 comma k minus 1, that is k value is 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus here it is c of kj, that is 3 comma j value is 4. So here it is I am consider the k value is now 4, that is 2 k minus 1, that is 3 plus C of k comma j, that is 4 comma 4, plus W of ij. Ij is W of 24. W of 24. You know already W of 24 value is 5. So you can write here it is 5. So 2 value is 0 plus C of 34. C of 34 value, you can see C of 34 value is 3. So 0 plus 3, it is 3. So here it is C of 23. C of 23 value is 3. So here it is 3. So C of 44, here it is 0. So here both are equal. Here it is 3, here also 3. So which is the minimum? Both are you can take any one is can consider. Here it is 3. 3 plus 5, that is 8. So C of 24 is 8. So what is the k value? Here it is r of 24, either k. So which value can consider, can get the minimum? So either k value is 3 or k value is 4 can get the same. So that's why here it is either it is k value is either it is 3 or it is 4. K value is 3 or 4 or 2 4. Okay, either 3 or 4. So 5 8 3. So like that you can calculate the remaining values. Here it is so you can erase this. Now we have to find out W of 03. Now W of 03 I have to find out. Meanwhile we are calculated W of 03. Very simple problem. Here it is W of 03, that is equal to W of I comma j minus 1, that is 0 comma 2, plus P of j, that is P of 3. P of 3, you know already P of 3 value is 1, plus Q of 3 value is also 1. So W of 02. So what is the value of W of 02? That is 12. So 12 plus 1, that is equal to 14. W of 03 value is 14. Now you can consider C of 03. So the k values are because 0 less than k less than or equal to 3. Here I less than k less than or equal to j. So j value is 3. So the k values are the k values are 1 comma 2 comma 3. So because here it is j minus I equal to 3. So at a time you can consider the 3 keys 1 2 3 like that. So here at the minimum of here I am consider the first k value is 1. So C of I 0, k value is 1 minus 1, that is 0, plus C of kj 1 3 plus W of 0 comma 3 ij, W of ij, that is W of 0 comma 3. Like that here it is 0 comma 1, k value is 2. Now here it is 2 comma 3 and 0 comma 2, k value is 3 now, plus C of kj, that is 3 comma 3. So you know already C of 00 value is 0, C of 1 comma 3. C of 1 comma 3 value is C of 1 comma 3 value is 12. So can note down here it is 12. C of 01 value is 8 plus C of 23 C of 2 3 value is 3. So here it is 12, here it is 11. Now you can see C of 02. C of 02 value is 19 plus C of 3 value is 0. So here it is 19, here it is 11, here it is 12. Which is the minimum? 11 is the minimum. So 11 plus W of 03. W of 03 value is 14. That is equal to 25. So C of 03 value is 25. So you can consider which value R of 03. R of 03 value is K. What is the K? So which value you are considering? Here it is K value is 2. Then you can get the minimum value. So K value is 2. So R of 03 value is 2. Like that you can calculate a W of 01 now. So you can calculate it W of 01. Now mean value are calculated. W of 14. So W of 14, here it is W of I comma j minus 1, that is 3 plus P of 4. What is the P of 4? Value is 1, and Q of 4, that value is also 1. W of 13. So W of 13 value is 9. 9 plus 2, that is equal to 11. So W of 14 value is 11. Now we have to calculate it C of 1 comma 4. So 1 less than or equal less than K less than or equal to 4. That's why the K value is 2, 3 and 4. So here it is minimum of plus W of 1 comma 4. You know W of 1 comma 4 value. W of 1 comma 4 value is 11. Already calculated 11. Now the K value is I am considered 2 first. C of I comma, that is 1 comma K minus 1, that is 1, plus C of Kj, that is 2 comma 4. So C of 1 comma 2, I am considered the K value is 3 now. So C of 3 comma 4, like here it is I am considered the K value is 4. So that is 1 comma 3 plus here it is C 4 comma 4 Kj. So C of 11 is 0, C of 24. C of 24 value is 8. So C of 12. What is the C of 12? Value is 7. Plus C of 34. C of 34 value is 3. So like here C of 13. C of 13 value is 12. Plus C of 44, that value is 0. So here it is minimum of, you can see here it is 0 plus 8, 8. Here it is 7 plus 3, that is 10. Here it is 12 plus 0, that is 12. So which is the minimum? Here it is 11. So minimum of 8, 10, 12. So 8 is the minimum. So 8 plus 11, that is 19. So you can note down C of 14 value is 19. So which value you are considered the K? You can get the minimum. Here it is. So here it is 8. That value K value is 2. So K value is 2. So R of 14 is 2. Like that here you can calculate it W of 04. Then after that you can draw the diagram. What is the optimal binary search tree diagram? Here it is. w of 0 4, this is the last one. So j minus I equal to 4. When j minus I equal to 4 you can get, so that is I value is 0, j value is 4, so that is only 1. So you can calculate it. Here it is w of 0 4. After calculating this value, this is the last value. Then after that you can draw the optimal binary search tree directly based on that table values. Now last one you can calculate it, w of 0 comma 4, that is equal to w of I value is 0, j minus 1 that is 3, plus p of 4 value is 1, q of 4 value is also 1. So w of 0 3, w of 0 3 value is 14. 14 plus here it is 5, 1 plus 4 that is equal to 19. So w of 0 4 value is 19. Just you can check once again. Here it is w of 0 4. So w of 0 4 can calculate it. Here it is w of 0 j minus 1 that is 4 minus 1 that is 3. W of 0 3, w of 0 3 value is 14. 14 plus here it is, you can see p of j value is 1, q of j value is also 1, so it is 1, so that is 16. Here it is w of 0 4 value is 16. Like here it is c of 0 comma 4, so that is 0 less than k less than or equal to 4. That's why k value is 1, k value is 2, k value is also 3. You can consider the k value is also 4. Plus w of 0 comma 4. So that is equal to, I am first time consider the k value is 1, that is I comma k minus 1 that is 0 comma 0 plus c of kj that is 1 comma 4. Like 0 comma here it is 2 minus 1 plus here it is c of 2 comma 4. Like here it is k value I am consider 3, that is 0 comma k minus 1, 3 minus 1 that is 2 plus c of 3 comma 4. Like here it is c comma 3, k value is 4, I am consider now c of 4 comma 4. So here it is 0 plus c of 1 4, c of 1 4 value is 19. So c of 0 1, c of 0 1 value is 8, 8 plus c of 2 4. So c of 2 4 value is, c of 2 4 value is 8. So here it is 19, here it is 16. Next c of 0 2, c of 0 2 value is 19, 19 plus c of 3 4, c of 3 4 value is, c of 3 4 value is 3. So 19 plus 3 that is 22. And c of 0 3, c of 0 3 value is 25. 25 plus c of 4 4 that value is 0. So now you can see here it is first value is 19, second it is 16. While you can consider the k value is 2, you can get the 16. Here it is 22, last it is 25. So which is the minimum here? Among these 16 is the minimum. So plus w of 0 4, w of 0 4 value is 16, 16 plus 16 that is equal to 32. So here c of 0 4 value is 32 and r of 0 4 value. So which value are considered the k, you can get the minimum value here. Here the second it is k value is 2, k value is 2. You can get the 16. So r04 value is 2. Now the table is completed. Now we can draw the optimal binary search tree by using this table data. Here it is, you know already r of ij simple to remember how we can construct the table based on these how can construct the optimal binary search tree based on this table. Here you can see this is the last step. Now you can see that what is the formula. Here it is R of I comma j. Here it is R of I comma k minus 1. You can see this. Here it is. In right side you can write R of k comma j. R of k comma j. That is, here it is R04. R04 value is 2. So I am writing here it is R0 comma 4. That value is 2. The key is 2. Now here it is R I value is 0. Here it is R I value is 0. So k minus 1. K is 2. K is 2, not 4. K is 2. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. R of 0 1. So you can see R of 0 1 value is 1. Here you can see the table. So that is 1. Here also you can see R of kj, that is k value here it is 2, j value is 4, 2 comma 4. R of 2 comma 4, you can see R of 2 comma 4 either 3 or 4. So you can take either 3 or 4. I can write here it is 2, here it is 1, here it is I am consider 4. Both are equal. These are the two optimal binary search trees is there for this data. Now here it is, you can see here it is R of I value is 0 and k minus 1, 1 minus 1, that is 0, R00, so R00 value is 0. Then here it is R of k comma j, so k value is 1, j value is also 1, so R of 1 1, that is also 0. So here it can see R of I value is 2, that is k minus 1, k value is 3, so 3 minus 1, that is R of 2 2, that value is also 0. Here you can see R of kj, so k value is 3 and j value is 4. So R of 3 4, you can see R of 3 4 value is 4, so here it is 4. Now you can see here it is R of 3 comma k value is 4, that is R of 3 3, that value is 0. Here it is R of kj, so 4 4, 4 4, so that value is 0. So this is the diagram. Here also you can see, for example, here it is 4 is taking, here it is left of 4 is 3. So you can draw the diagram here. What is the 2? So second key is if. So this is the first key, second key, third key and fourth key. So here it is the root is 2, that is the second key. Second key is if. Second key is if. So here it is left of 1. So what is the one key? Here one key is do, and here it is 3. That third key is int. Third key is int. Now you can see the fourth key. Here it is right of 3 is 4. That is fourth key is while. Here it is a while. So this is the one binary search tree. Another one you can see if, and here it is do. Either it is 4 3. So the fourth key is while. Here it is while, and left of while is int. Left of while is int, like this. So these are the two optimal binary search trees is there for the given data. Thank you for watching this video.